Fidelity's Fidelity 500 index fund tracks the S&P 500, one of the most popular long-term investments. And today we're talking about how to invest exactly in it step by step. So firstly, you need a brokerage account that lets you trade mutual funds, such as Fidelity account, and then other brokers also support Fidelity funds. Now, without an account, you can't buy it. Once your account is open, you can log in on the web or mobile, and for Fidelity.com users, open the dashboard. In the search bar, you just type in the ticker, which is going to be this one, FXAIX, and choose the dollar amount you want to invest, no commission on many brokerages. Press on search, and here's our Fidelity 500 index. Click on it. Then double check the amount, fund name, account you're buying from, and confirm the purchase. To complete, press on buy, and don't forget that you will need an account here. Your order will be processed at the next pricing time for mutual funds. And that's how you invest in Fidelity 500 index fund. Open account, search ticker, buy, and confirm. If you want, we can also cover dollar cost averaging versus others or how to set up automatic investments. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If this helped, like and subscribe.